Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my apple crumble pie recipe. This will be my final recipe in this mini Thanksgiving series. So if you're looking for an iconic pumpkin or pecan pie recipe, check out one of my previous 2 videos and let's get started. In my personal and professional opinion, the perfect apple pie should be gooey, not too sweet, spiced properly, and the apples should still have a little bite to them. First thing we are going to make is the pie crust, which is actually a tart crust. If you want to know my reasoning as to why I use tart crusts, check out the last video. The tart crust recipe is in my pecan pie video, so check that one out. Line your tart ring with the tart crust and then let's get started on the apple pie filling. In a pot, we are going to combine 28 grams or 2 tablespoons of butter, 106 grams or half a cup of light brown sugar, 1 vanilla bean pod scraped, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we are going to bring this to a boil. While that's heating up, we are going to peel 2 Granny Smith apples and cut them into medium dice. Granny Smith apples are perfect for this recipe because they keep their texture after baking and they have a nice acidity which creates a really well balanced dessert. Once our mixture comes to a boil, we are going to add in our apples and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes until they're tender but still have a nice bite to them. You're not trying to make applesauce here. Once they are par cooked, we are going to stir in 5 grams or 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of clove, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're also gonna add in 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then we're just gonna mix this until the cornstarch is dissolved. Now our apple pie filling is done. Let's move on to our almond crumble. This is super simple. We are going to combine 62 grams of room temperature butter, 62 grams of sugar, 81 grams of flour, 40 grams of almond flour, and 2 grams of cinnamon in a bowl, and mix that until the butter is evenly dispersed, and that's it. To assemble our tart, we are going to pour our apple filling into the tart, and then begin to layer in the almond crumble all over the top of the tart. And now this can bake at 325 for about 30 to 45 minutes or until the top is golden brown. And there is probably nothing better than warm apple pie, so I am lightly dusting the edges with confection sugar and we are all ready to dig in. There's nothing I feel, and I know that my heart will go on. We'll stay forever this way. You are safe in my heart, and my heart will go That is it for another recipe. My mouth is watering. Let's dig in. This pie is absolutely gorgeous. It's so simple and it is made with love. Like seriously, I can taste it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my mini Thanksgiving pie series. This trio recipe is all that you need for Thanksgiving, and Thanksgiving is actually my favorite holiday, but Christmas is right around the corner and I feel like I cannot catch up. So don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can keep sharing more recipes with you guys, and comment down below some holiday inspired recipes that you guys want me to recreate, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!